A call this evening for more to be done to address the shortage of tourism workers as a result of the pandemic. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association wants the government to intervene. Anthony Lugg reports.
Jamaica's tourism sector is projected to fully recover by 2023. This after suffering a battering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This was Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett at a media briefing on Friday.
Tourism's recovery in Jamaica has been stronger and better than any other country in the English-speaking Caribbean. But that recovery has not been without its pains. And one of the areas of pain has been the return of the human capital to the sector.
Hundreds of workers were out of a job during the pandemic. But even as the sector begins to rebound, there are still concerns about staffing.
If we look at the gap between the need now for workers and what will be for 2023, we have to plan for it. We have some time and we need to plan for it.
Recently, some 177 students graduated with associate degrees through the Ministry's Hospitality and Tourism Management Program, which was launched in 2019.
So in the 4-year period, we would have brought 330 associate degree holders into the entry levels of employment in tourism.
This may help to alleviate some of the burden, but it's going to take much more. It's why the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association is making this appeal to the government.
The government should basically ask the cruise ships and other land-based people who are coming to check into our hotels and are soliciting and taking our best workers and are setting up offices within the tourism plans to themselves set up training institutions here or assist government with the training of our workers so that we can put out more people, so that as many people who leave, we have replacement right here in Jamaica for them.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.